JDS Flying Canuck here, and what we have is the stubby airplane, the A250 QB, or it'll be BF-109, okay? You can see the stubby sort of body on it. I'll show you the front here. There you go there. Very cool, very cool. There's the box, okay? What you get is some directions for putting it together. This is your manual. It's pretty thorough. You get 2 props, all assembled and everything. You get 1 USB charger. I got the 1 battery type because I have a bunch of batteries like this already. 3.7 volt, 400 milliamp. You get another piece here for your props on the back here, right here. You get a spare one of those. Those just slide right off, okay? And that's so you can snap your prop on there. Just put your prop on. Okay, and you got the screwdriver, and you've got your remote, and this comes with 4 AA. It doesn't come with it. You have to put 4 AA batteries in there. There you go. You can see them right there. Try and slide this back on. Do it with one hand here. And he does it. Okay, and this is your elevator trim right here. This is your aileron. This is your directional trim. And this is your throttle trim. Okay, and this is normally for your rudder, but as you can see, there's no rudder on this one. Okay, but when you do hit this button, what you do is get more authority on your aileron here. Okay, so basically, that just came apart. Hold on 1 second. There we go. What you do get is more aileron, okay, authority, when you hit this top switch here. And this one up here is your 6G 3D. So it starts off in stabilized mode, and then you hit that button, you can do some acrobats like I'm going to do in the video. Stuff like that, okay? And some very important stuff I'm going to show you here, so you don't have to go through the pain of it. It says it on this card here where you would plug this in. Okay, let me see here if I can find exactly where it says it here. Right here. It shows you where, okay? But it says throttle tail. I'm going to show you exactly. That's why I left this off here. I'll put it back together in a minute. I want to show you how this goes together. Okay, so you're going to have a loose wire coming off this piece here. Okay, it comes in 2 pieces. You're going to have a loose wire coming off this, and it needs to be plugged in right there. Okay, so what they say is 3rd from the tail. So here's the tail. So it's 1, 2, 3 in. And I've marked it there for you so you can see where it is. Then all you have to do is turn this around. Right, pop that in like that. Push down here, put 1 screw in here. Just 1 screw right in there. And the screws come in the bag here, you'll see them. They're the bigger ones. Okay, like right there. You put 1 screw in there, put that down, put your wheels on and stuff. Okay, put it like that. And then you put your prop on. Try and get this real close so you can see this go on here. It just snaps on. You gotta get a little tricky. Sometimes it just goes there. It went. There we go. A little snap in there. And it's on. And to take it off, you just basically pull it back. You want it to come off easy like that, so if it hits the ground, it doesn't break the motor shaft here. Okay? That keeps coming off because it's not screwed together, because like I showed you, I wanted to show you everything that was there. Okay, well, it's quite the little bird. I'll give you some specs on here. The battery's 3.7 volt, 400 milliamp. Like I said, the fly time's 10 minutes. It's got a 1020 coreless motor. The distance it will travel is 150 meters, which is cool. 80 minutes to charge the battery. First of all, you plug this in. Okay? You have to follow the right steps. Plug this in first into your USB. Then plug in your battery to this end of the USB, okay, and wait until the LED is on. The LED is on, it's fully charged. When it's off, it's charging. Okay? And it says the easy assembly. Hook up the wire like I showed you underneath where to plug it in, and then put the screw in the bottom. Very easy. And the manual here is pretty thorough. Let me see here. It shows you mode 1 and mode 2 type of remotes too. Okay, shows you how to charge everything, but I've showed you that. So there we go. So it comes with all this stuff. Again, that quick release goes on the front here. Your screwdriver, lots more than enough screws. These 2 props assembled, 1 battery or 3 battery set. Your charger, easy step instruction, quick step, your manual, and your remote. Okay, we'll be back in a little bit. We'll take it for a fly. JDS Flying Canuck here, and we're going to fly the XK-A250 Stubby. The Stubby airplane. Here we go. Look at that, eh? Very cool. Slow it down a bit. Raise it up. Look at that. Bring her down. Up, over. Look at that. There it goes. Stubby. Cool, eh? Bring her down over here again. Bring her down. There we go. We're barely got enough light here, but it was windy all day and I wanted to get it out, so there it goes. Raise it up here. Bring her down a bit to me. There we go. Yeah, it's got some power for a stubby, that's for sure. Well, we barely got enough light here, but we're getting it in. I'll bring it by me again. Slow it down, bring it in. Look at that, eh? Slow it down. There it is. Bring it up a little bit, slow it down. Look at this thing go. This is very cool. Very cool. We'll bring it around. We'll do some 3D'ing. We'll bring it around this way. And we'll go like that. Look at that, eh? Just perfect. We'll do it again. Bring it up. It's going a little wiry. We'll bring our rack around. I think the battery's starting to die. We'll bring her in for a landing. Lower down. Bring her up. Light landing. There we go. That's better. Anyways, I think it's a good go. I think it's a nice little plane. We've tested out the prop there twice. It not major crash, but and the prop's made to fall off, right? So that's pretty cool. Very cool. Yeah, I'm liking it. And the stabilization is really good. Look, if I flip it this way or that way, see how it looks down there? You'll see. Now it doesn't have any rudder, okay? What you have is your elevator. Here you can raise it. And this is basically your rudders, is your aileron, okay? So that's what you're using. Pretty cool for a stubby though, eh? Really nice. Anyways, I think it's about 80 bucks or something Canadian. Yeah. So there we go. I'd say I'd give it 2 thumbs up for sure. It's a lot of fun, man. Saw the flips and everything we did there. Pretty cool. If I had another battery with me, I would have done it again, but this one's going dead. Anyways, that's JDS Flying Canuck for the A250. Over and out.